नमो नमः. May life be mantramayam. Article number 6. Snanam Tatha Pratasmaranam by S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Tuesday, September 15th, 2020. Let us pursue the guidelines for Adarsha Dinacharya, ideal daily routine, studied in May Life Be Mantramayam, article number 3, especially about the morning routine, that it should comprise of Shaucham, being relieved of the anxiety of bowels not being clear, Mukhamarjanam, mouthwash and face wash, Vyayama, physical exercises, Snanam, bath. Can taking bath, Snanam, be mantramayam? Snanam is actually an activity involving use of water in significant quantity. Other activities involving water consumption are drinking, cooking, washing, mopping the floors, etc. Basically, the thought is about our gratitude unto the benevolence of Jalatattvam, the water. Rivers are the prominent resource for availing waters. All human civilizations evolved in the vicinity of rivers. Rivers are sacred. There has been a tradition of invoking water to be sanctified by mantrochara. One popular shloka recited is Gange cha yamune chaiva godavari saraswati narmade sindhu kaveri jalesmin sannidhim kuru. There is mention of 7 rivers across India: Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati and Sindhu in the north, Godavari and Narmada in central India, and Kaveri in southern India. Note, Jalesmin sannidhim kuru. Jale asmin sannidhim kuru. Jale, jala, water. Napusakalingam saptami ekvachanam. Asmin, idam sarvanama. Atra napusakalingam saptami ekvachanam. Sannidhim, sannidhi, treasure, benevolence. Strilingam द्वितीया एकवचनम. कुरु, कृ अष्टमगणीय उभयपदी, अत्र परस्मैपदी. लोट लकारः मध्यमपुरुषः एकवचनम. अस्मिन् जले सन्निधिं कुरु. Put your benevolence in this water. The tradition is to recite this mantra or shloka to make snanam to be mantramayam. We shall need many more to last all the snanam, the bath. Since Snanam is part of morning routine, we can recite 3 shlokas of Pratasmarana Stotram by Adi Shankaracharya. Pratasmarami hrudi samsphuradatma tattvam satchit sukham paramahamsa gatim turiyam yat swapna jagara sushuptim avaiti nityam tad brahma nishkalamaham nacha muhuta sangha. पदच्छेदे प्रातः स्मरामि हृदि संस्फुरत् आत्मतत्वं सच्चित् सुखं परमहंस गतिं तुरीयं यत् स्वप्न जागर सुषुप्तिम अवैति नित्यं तत् ब्रह्म निष्कलम अहम न च भूत संघः. अन्वयार्थः प्रातः, early morning, in the early morning, dawn. Smarami, I remember. Smru iti dhatu, to remember, to recollect. Lat lakaraha uttama purushaha ekvachanam. Hruti, hrud, heart. Napusakalingam saptami ekvachanam. Samsphurat atmatattvam. Samsphurat atmatattvam. Samsphurat, samsphur iti dhatu, to glitter, shine. Shatru visheshanam. अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम. द्वितीया एकवचनम. आत्मतत्वम. आत्मनः तत्वम इति आत्मतत्वम. आत्मनः, आत्मन, सोल. पुल्लिंगम षष्ठी एकवचनम. तत्वम, तत्व, इसेंस. नपुंसकलिंगम. अत्र द्वितीया एकवचनम. सच्चित् सुखम. सत् चित् Sukham. Sat, being, existing. Truth, goodness. Chit, consciousness. Sukham, joy. Satchit Sukham, joy of conscious pursuit of the truth and goodness thereof. Paramahamsa Gatim, Paramahamsa Gatim, Parama supreme, Hamsa swan, representing the pure consciousness. Gati, going, moving, state, condition. Turiyam, the fourth state of super consciousness. Note, Turiya Avastha, the fourth state of super consciousness, is the supreme Hamsa. Symbolically, Paramhamsa, a pure white swan, floating in Chidakasham, the beautiful expanse of the mind, and takes the mind to Turiya Avastha. Yaswapna Jagara Sushuptam Avaiti, Yat Swapna Jagara Sushuptim Avaiti Nityam. Yat, which, Swapna, dream, Jagara, waking state, Sushuptim, Sushupti, Susupti, deep sleep. Strilingam Dvitiya Ekvachanam. Avaiti. Ava plus E is equal to ave iti dhatu. To know. Lat lakara prathama purusha hai ekvachanam. Nityam, always. Yaswapna Jagara Sushuptim Avaiti Nityam, which knows as a witness beyond. Nityam, always. The three states of Swapna, dream, Jagara, waking, and Sushupti, deep sleep. Tat Brahma Nishkalamaham, Tat, that, Brahma, Brahman, Nishkalamaham, Nishkalam Aham, Nishkala, without parts, undivided, having no diversion, having no untowardness. Aham, I. Tad Brahma Nishkalamaham, I am that Brahman which is without any division, having no diversion, having no untowardness. Na cha bhuta sangaha, na, not, cha, and, bhuta sangaha, collection of pancha bhutaha. Bhuta, element, sangha, sangha, collection, assemblage. Na cha bhuta sangaha, meaning prataha, in the early morning, smarami, I remember, that is, I meditate on. Atma Tattvam, the pure essence, Hrudi Samsphurat, shining within my heart, which gives the bliss of Sat, the truth, Chit, consciousness, Sukham, bliss, which is the flight, Gatihi, unto Turiyam, the fourth state of superconsciousness, for Paramahamsaha, supreme pure white swan, floating in Chidakasham, which always knows Nityam Avaiti, as a witness beyond, the three states of Swapnam, dream, Jagaraha, waking, and Sushuptihi, deep sleep. Aham, I am Tat Brahma, that Brahman, which is Nishkalam, without any division, having no diversion, having no untowardness, and not nacha, this body which is Bhuta Sangaha, a collection of elements. Note, there are 14 letters, Chaturdasha Aksharani, in each line, quarter, Padaha. Their weightage counts, Matraha are Pratas Marami Hrudi Samsphurodatma Tattvam 221, 211, 121, 121, 22. So, Tabha Jaja Gaga Ganaha. This is Vasanta Tilaka Vrittam. Pratar bhajami manasavacha samagamyam vacho vibhanti nikhilavadyanugrahena yanneti neti vachanair nigama avochans tam deva deva majamachyutama tam deva deva majamachyutamahuravyagragyam. Padachhedahi. Prataha bhajami manasa vachasam agamyam वाचः विभान्ति निखिलाः यदनुग्रहेण यत् न इति वचनैः निगमाः अवोचन् तं देवदेवम् अजम् अच्युतम् आहुः अग्र्यम्. अन्वयार्थः. प्रातः भजामि मनसा. In the early morning I worship by mind, meditate upon. Pratah, early morning. Bhajami, bhaj, to worship. Lat lakarah, uttama purushah, ekvachanam. Manasa, manas, mind. Napusakalingam. Trutiya, ekvachanam. Vachasam agamyam, that which is beyond speech, beyond description. Vachasam, vachas, speech. Napusakalingam. Shashti, bahuvachanam. Agamyam, agamya, cannot be approached, that is, which is beyond description. Vachaha vibhanti nikhila yadanugrahena. Vachaha, vach, speech, strilingam, prathama bahuvachanam. Vibhanti, vi plus bha, to flourish. Lat lakara, prathama purushaha bahuvachanam. Nikhilaha, nikhila, all, visheshanam. अत्र स्त्रीलिंगम प्रथमा बहुवचनम. यदनुग्रहेण, यदनुग्रहः पुल्लिंगम तृतीया एकवचनम. यस्य अनुग्रहः इति यदनुग्रहः षष्ठी तत्पुरुषः. अनुग्रहः ग्रेस. वाचः विभान्ति निखिलाः यदनुग्रहेण, by whose grace all speech flourishes. यन्नेति नेति वचनैर्निगमा अवोचन्. यत्, which. Neti, na iti, not so. Vachanaihi, vachana, statement, declaration. Napusakalingam, tritiya, bahuvachanam. Nigamaha, nigama, scripture. Pullingam, prathama, bahuvachanam. Avochan, vach, lang lakara, prathama purushaha, bahuvachanam. Yat na iti vachanaihi, nigamaha avochan. About which the scriptures could only say, not so, not so. Tam deva deva majamachyutamahuраग्र्यम्. Tam, tat, sarvanama. Pullingam, dvitiya ekvachanam. Devadevam, devadeva. Pullingam, dvitiya ekvachanam. Devanam devaha iti devadevaha. God of gods, the supreme. Ajam, aja. Pullingam, dvitiya ekvachanam. न जायते इति अजः, unborn, ever present, उपपद तत्पुरुष. अच्युतम, पुल्लिंगम, द्वितीया एकवचनम, infallible, imperishable. आहुः, ब्रू, द्वितीय गणीयः उभयपदी, लंग लकारः, प्रथम पुरुषः, बहुवचनम. अग्र्यम, पुल्लिंगम, द्वितीया एकवचनम, अग्र्य, foremost. Tam devadevam ajam achyutam ahuhu agryam. Unto him who is called the God of the gods, is unborn, is imperishable, and is foremost, primordial. Meaning, in the early morning I mindfully, devotedly worship that which is beyond speech, that by whose grace all speech shines, that about which the scriptures could only say, not so, not so. That who is called the God of the gods, unborn, infallible, imperishable, and foremost, primordial. Pratarnamami tamasah paramarkavarnam purnam sanatanapadam purushottamakhyam yasminnidam jagadasheshamasheshamurtau रज्ज्वां भुजंगमिव प्रतिभासितं वै. पदच्छेदः. प्रातः नमामि तमसः परम अर्कवर्णं पूर्णं सनातनपदं पुरुष उत्तम आख्यं यस्मिन् इदं जगत् अशेषम् अशेषमूर्तौ रज्ज्वां भुजंगम इव प्रतिभासितं वै. अन्वयार्थः. तमसः परम अर्कवर्णम पूर्णम सनातन पदम पुरुष उत्तमाख्यम प्रातः नमामि. तमसः परम, beyond darkness, like light at the end of a tunnel. Arkavarnam, arka, ray of light. Varnam, quality, color. Arkavarnam, having quality or color of the ray of light. Purnam, wholesome. Sanatana Padam. Sanatanam, primeval, eternal. Padam, abode, state, resort. Sanatana Padam, primeval, eternal, abode, state, resort. पुरुषोत्तमाख्यम पुरुषोत्तमाख्य विशेषणम अत्र पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम पुरुषेषु उत्तमः इति पुरुषोत्तमः बेस्ट अमंग men. Actually the word purusha more so purushottamah is figurative and connotes also the omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent principle which pervades the universe. Note, title of 15th Panchadashodhyaya of Gita is Purushottama Yoga. Purushottama iti akhyayasya saha Purushottamakhya. Purushottamakhya, one that is called as Purushottama, connoting the omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent principle which pervades the universe. Pratah, in the early morning. Namami, I salute. Yasmin asheshamurtau idam jagat ashesham rajvam bhujangam iva pratibhasitam vai. Yasmin asheshamurtau, yasmin, in which, asheshamurtau, asheshamurti strilingam saptami ekvachanam. Asheshamurtihi iti asheshamurtihi, na shesham iti ashesham, entirely, leaving no exception. Murti, manifestation, creation. Ashesha Murti, entire manifestation, entire creation. Idam Jagat, this world, the universe. Ashesham, entirely, leaving no exception. Rajvam Bhujangam Iva. Rajvam, Rajju, rope. Strilingam Saptami Ekvachanam. Bhujangam, serpent, snake. Iva, just as. Pratibhasitam. Pratibhas, to depict, to connote, to animate. Kta visheshanam pratibhasita. Atra napusakalingam dvitiya ekvachanam. Why? A particle of emphasis or of affirmation. Meaning, in the early morning, prataha, I salute, namami. That which is tamasaha param, beyond darkness, that which is arkavarnam, having quality or color of the ray of light, that which is purnam, wholesome, that which is sanatana padam, primeval, eternal, abode, state, resort, that which is called purushottama, connoting the omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent principle which pervades the universe, that yasmin, in which asheshamurtihi, entire manifestation, entire creation, idam jagat, this universe, ashesham, entirely is pratibhasitam, superimposed, just as bhujanga, serpent, snake, is rajvam, in a rope. Note, there is quite some simile here, wherein asheshamurtihi purushottama is the truth, the rajjuhu, the rope. But idam ashesham jagat, this entire universe is bhujangaha, false animation. Shlokatrayamidam punyam lokatrayavibhushanam pratah kale pathedyastu sagachet paramam padam. Padacheda. Shlokatrayam idam punyam lokatrayavibhushanam pratah kale pathet yahatu saha gachet paramam padam. Anvayartha. Shlokatrayam, shlokatraya, navasakalingam prathama ekvajanam. Shlokanam trayam iti shlokatrayam, shashti tatpurusha. Shlokanam, shloka, sacred verse. Pullingam, shashti bahuvachanam. Trayam, triplet. Idam, this. Punyam, sacred, holy, pure. Lokatraya vibhushanam. Lokanam trayam iti lokatrayam. Lokatrayasya vibhushanam iti lokatraya vibhushanam. Lokanam, loka, world. Pullingam, shashti bahuvachanam. Vibhushanam, ornament. Lokatraya Vibhushanam, ornament of the three worlds. Bhulokaha, world of the earth. Svargalokaha, heaven. Patalalokaha, netherworld. Pratah kale, pratah kala, pullingam saptami ekvachanam. Pratah, early morning, dawn. Kale, kala, time. Pullingam saptami ekvachanam. Yaha, he who. Tu, for emphasis. Pathet, pat, read, recite. Vidhiling lakara, prathama purushaha ekvachanam. Saha, he. Gachet, gam, to go, to attain. Vidhiling lakara, prathama purushaha ekvachanam. Paramam, parama, supreme, visheshanam. Napusakalingam, dvitiya ekvachanam. Padam, state, meaning idam, this, punyam, sacred, lokatraya vibhushanam, which adorns the three worlds. Shlokatrayam, triplet of verses. Yaha, he, who. Pratah kale, in the morning. Pathet, would recite. Saha, he. Tu paramam, supreme. Padam, state. Gachet, would attain. By coining words such as Shlokatrayam and Lokatrayam, there is some good onomatopoeia, prasa, so very fluently composed. This fourth shloka is like an epilogue of the previous three and sort of eulogizes the previous three by speaking of what benefits phalashruti would accrue to one who recites this. If the time for bath is likely to be long, it would be good to memorize more shlokaha. Stotrani, etc. I have started a new playlist in my YouTube channel by the title Stotra Patha and have already uploaded my recitation of course along with the text, of Sri Ramaraksha Stotram and Sankashtanashanam Mahaganapati Stotram, Pranamya Shirasadeva. If one has Pathantaram of good number of shlokaha, stotrani, etc., it is not that one should recite the same shlokaha, stotrani every day. One may recite different shlokaha, stotrani, etc. on different days. Memorizing Pathantaram of good number of shlokaha, stotrani, etc. is a good antidote against maladies like Alzheimer. With Pathanam, recitation of shlokaha, stotrani, it becomes Mantramayam Snanam, a Kriya Yoga comprising Tapaha, Swadhyayaha and Ishvara Pranidhanam, so that may life be Mantramayam. Shubhamastu.